These are some of my favorite personal projects I've done as a second-year computer science student. On first place, I have this music recommendation system I did using Python, as you can see, which basically is a clone of what Spotify used to do back in the day to recommend songs. So it basically uses this algorithm called cosine similarity that basically takes vectors and measures the angle between them. So the smaller the angle is, the closer those vectors are to be similar. And this applies the other way around. If they're very distant, like if it's a 180-degree angle, then those vectors are like opposites to each other, right? So that's basically how it works, how it recommends songs. On second place, I have to put Clean Higher. It's been so long, right now, a bit longer than 2 months of development. Of course, with classes and everything it gets longer, but then this project has been such a learning experience, such a learning curve as well. But it's have taught me so much about like structure and how to develop web applications. So it's definitely my top 2 favorite projects right now. On third place, I think Kernero is my favorite. This is basically a web, like a Chrome extension, and it's basically a to-do app. It has lots of books, not gonna lie, like it uses the time in your machine, like the date, to make alarms and stuff. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You can try it. It's not a virus, but but it's available there. This one, Minesweeper clone, I did this last year. It's definitely one of my favorite projects as a beginner to make. It was very hard. It took me days to get it done. As you can see, it doesn't even look like the real Minesweeper, but it taught me so much about object-oriented programming and like how to make like a web application, well, not a web application, but like an app, and make like the UI with Python as well. This is all Python, and it was great. It was great to play it. It was great to understand how it's made. And last but not least, and this is one of my favorite beginner projects, as you can see, it's only 3 files up there, all in Python, the Game of Life. This in particularly is done in the terminal, so it just advances and the terminal gets reloaded and you can see it change and stuff. I use a GitHub repository, I'll put it in the comments, that basically gave you like all the logic you need to develop the algorithm yourself and the code. So it's really good for beginners, I find, and like as you can see, like it's fun.